1, 2, triple step, triple step. 1, 2, triple step, triple step. I'm going to show you everything you learned, and then we're going to go back and we're going to practice a whole lot. So it started off with a side pass. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is a great move. 1, 2. Then we can pick up 2 hands and back our truck up for a left side pass. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple step. We can mix and match these moves all night long. Once the music's going and you're dancing with your partner, harder than you might think to keep these on rhythm and not get the hands all goofy. If the hands get goofy, just let go and reconnect. We can also keep the hands getting in this interesting position. From here, we give her an outside. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple step. We can also give her the double. Triple step, triple step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple step, followed by an inside turn, which fixes the hands. And then we usually just go back into side passes. But if you want to really sauce it up, you can go double, double, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple step. 1, 2, triple step, triple step, and 1, 2, triple step, triple step. 1, 2, triple step, triple step. 1, 2, triple step, triple step. But then I would go easy on her, doing some regular side passes. Don't spin your girl too much. I've been DJ John Paul. That's been the lovely Kortnee. Thank you, Roundup Nightclub. Grab your guy, grab your girl. We got one song to practice. Lots of side passes.